Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you how to extract tables or charts from a PDF file in any computer. So, without any further more delay, let's begin. So, before proceeding, I would like to make you clear that in this tutorial, I will divide into two parts. One will be using the offline method and one will be using the online method. So, for the offline method, what you need to do first is you need to open any web browser and you need to download this LibreOffice software. You can see here its website. I'll be providing its official website link too in the video description, so you can click there and log into this website. Once you log into this website, you can see here download options on the top. Just click on it and select this download LibreOffice. As you can see here, the latest version. As if you're using a Windows, then you can select the Windows. If you're using a Windows 64 or 32, depend upon you what bit of Windows operating system you're having in your Windows computer. And if you're using a Apple Macintosh computer, then you can download this Mac OS. And if you're using a Linux, then you can download either the Debian or the RPM versions. So you firstly download and install these applications. So after downloading and installing, what you need to do, so let me show you. I have one PDF file which has a table or a charts, as you can see. So how we can extract this chart or a table? So for this, what you need to do, just right click and you can see here open with, and you can see here LibreOffice Draw. Just select on it. Now you can see here, what you need to do is just tab and hold your left mouse click and just select this complete chart. Once you have select, what you need to do, you can see this cursor. As you can see this cursor, just hold and drag or anywhere. Just when you just drag here on the middle and just place the cursor and just right click. You can see here cut, just cut it. Now what you need to do is you can just paste it even in the Microsoft Word. Just right click here, just paste it, we'll get a chart here. So but the one drawbacks of this application is that you can't edit the numbers. As you can see, I'm unable to edit. It's just like you cut the one kind of picture and you just paste it, but you are unable to edit those numbers. So to edit, what you need to do, you need to edit on this application itself. If you want to edit anything, then you need to edit here. You need to edit here and you need to do the same process by selecting, and you need to just cut it again as like before, and you need to paste it on the Microsoft Word. So using this software, you can at least extract this table or chart, but the sad point is that you can't directly edit once you paste it on other applications. So this is all about offline method. Now let's jump into the second method, that is the online method. Now once again, what you need to do is you need to open any web browser and you need to visit to this website. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and log into this website. And the good thing is that it's totally free, so you don't come with any watermark or any advertisements. So this is a totally free online PDF converter. So what you need to do, you can see here, convert PDF to Word, PDF to JPG, PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to Excel, PDF to text. So here we'll choose a PDF to Word. You can choose even PDF to Excel, PDF to PowerPoint, depending upon your needs. So here for this video tutorial, I'll be selecting this PDF to Word. So just left click on here. So here you can just drag and drop the file also, or you can click the choose file. So I'll just drag the file. As you can see here, I have a PDF file. I'll just drag it. As you can see, it's showing waiting, and click on start. Wait for some few seconds until the conversion gets completed. As you can see, it's processing. So it's done. Now you can see here download options. Just download this file. So after you downloaded the file, just click on the open folder. So here you can see the converted PDF file. So let's try to open it with the Word documents. So I will just try to open it with any other Word document viewer. So you can see the chart. So a good thing is that when you convert it onlinely, then a good thing you can just see, you can directly edit it. You can delete the numbers, you can add the numbers, you can edit, and once you are done, you can just go on the files and you can export it as PDF or Excel files, or again you can save it as a doc file, or you can once again convert it to PDF again. So in this way you can easily extract tables or charts from any PDF files in any computer. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then try it out by today. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.